Now come to question number 6. A part, from the sum of 3x minus y plus 11 and minus y minus 11, subtract 3x minus y minus 11. See the solution. A part. Here first we find sum of 3x minus y plus 11 and minus y minus 11. It will be 3x minus y plus 1 plus minus y minus 11. Here open the bracket. You will get 3x minus y plus 1 minus y minus 11. Here collect the like terms. It is 3x minus y minus y plus 1 minus 11. Solve it. It is 3x minus y minus y. It is minus 2y plus 1 minus 11. It is minus 10. Now we subtract 3x minus y minus 11 from 3x minus 2y minus 10. Therefore, 3x minus 2y minus 10 minus subtract the first expression, that is 3x minus y minus 11. Here open the bracket. You will get 3x minus 2y minus 10. Here before bracket there is minus sign. The sign will be changed. If you open the bracket, it will be minus 3x plus y plus 11. Here collect the like terms. It is 3x minus 3x minus 2y plus y minus 10 plus 11. Here 3x and minus 3x will be cancelled. Here take y common. You will get minus 2 plus 1 y minus 10 plus 11. It is 1. Here solve the bracket. Minus 2 plus 1. It is minus y plus 1. This is your answer. Now come to B part. From the sum of 4 plus 3x and 5 minus 4x plus 3x square. Subtract the sum of 3x square minus 5x and minus x square plus 2x plus 5. First of all, we find the sum. Find the sum of 4 plus 3x and 5 minus 4x plus 2x square. It will be 4 plus 3x plus 5 minus 4x plus 2x square. Here collect the like terms. It is 2x square plus 3x minus 4x plus 4 plus 5. Here solve it. You will get 2x square plus take x common. It is 3 minus 4 x plus 4 plus 5. It is 9. Now solve it. 2x square 3 minus 4. It is minus x plus 9. Now find the sum of 3x square minus 5x and minus x square plus 2x plus 5. Therefore 3x square minus 5x minus x square plus 2x plus 5. Now collect the like terms. It is 3x square minus x square minus 5x plus 2x plus 5. Now solve it. Take x square common. It is 3 minus 1 x square plus take x common. You will get minus 5 plus 2 x plus 5. Now open the bracket. 3 minus 1. It is 2x square minus 5 plus 2. It is minus 3 x plus 5. Now subtract 2x square minus 3x plus 5 from 2x square minus x plus 9. Here write second expression first. It will be 2x square minus x plus 9 minus, write the first expression, that is 2x square minus 3x plus 5. Now open the bracket, it is 2x square minus x plus 9. Here before bracket there is minus sign, the sign will be changed. It is minus 2x square plus 3x minus 5. Now collect the like terms. It is 2x square minus 2x square minus x plus 3x plus 9 minus 5. Here 2x square will be cancelled. You will get, here take x common. You will get minus 1 plus 3 x plus 9 minus 5. It is plus 4. Now open the bracket, minus 1 plus 3. It is 2x plus 4. This is your answer. Thank you.